Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Did you know that 60% of phishing websites are only online for 10 minutes? These are fake sites that try to trick you into entering your login details or get you to download malware. The idea is that cybercriminals drive huge amounts of traffic to them, scam people, then take down the site before it can be detected. Not good. But don't worry, Google Chrome is here to protect your business. The browser has been checking every URL you visit against a naughty list, updated every 30 to 60 minutes. Now it's switching on enhanced safe browsing for everyone. This checks URLs in real time. And if it detects a scam, it won't let you visit. Does this mean Google will now know every URL you visit? Yes, but it's promised not to use this info for other features like targeted advertising. Do you need help protecting your business from cyber threats? We can help. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.